Selamat pagi. Semua-semua sihat-sihat, bahagia. Ya. Should be everything is not clear. Go set is zero. Set is zero. Everything is zero. Everything is emptiness. Everything is voidness. Voidness in itself. And everything starts from emptiness. When you need to determine something, do something, to set on set is zero. Sunyata. From the zero, zero and one. One is putting from your heart. Set is zero and have to put in from your heart. Put energy from the first thing, perception, the good things, the one thing. For the attention, the intentions. If we start from the intention for the good thing, everything in outside, never mind, maybe pray out, maybe disappear something or disappear something, no mind. Happy or unhappy, never mind. You know inside your heart for the perception, for the putting good energy for the heart. Inside the good thing is empty also. Empty inside, outside. You know everything in the one your eyes. You not have suffer more. Maybe you have suffer not anymore for the more and more suffer. You know everything come from cause and effect. Because have cause is have effect. Then it become to the cause. Buddha said about เหตุและผล So we should have set everything to zero and one. Zero is a one is a open from one. Terima kasih for the good things of your get with your heart in your mind, your city, your country, and our home. Terima kasih, sehat-sehat, semua.
Terima kasih Pandai.